Oh, I think that is my... Is it Bolt? I just used one of those apps for the first time. Never used them before. I think that's my Bolt driver. I'm not sure. So I am going to Lagos Market today to do my baby shopping. I have left it till the very last minute, which I wouldn't advise anybody to do, because everybody has been warning me now. If that baby comes in the market, what will you name the baby? I will name the baby Lagos. So we'll see how it goes, and yeah, follow me along on my shopping journey. Can you see my face? Like, can you see how tired I am? But I don't have this choice. So you know, I actually went shopping last week, and I've been looking at these bags like, can they just open themselves up and arrange themselves? But like, I don't have a choice. So today's a public holiday, it's October 1st, and I woke up and I said, I must get this done. I'm going to pack my hospital bag and put it somewhere. Let me know that that is done and dusted and out of the way. So come along and arrange my hospital bag with me. Here is my list of items. Very few items actually, funny enough, as I'm supposed to take to the hospital, but the issue is I don't know where they are in each package, so I have to open everything up and begin to bring out. So that's what we're about to do right now. Sisters, don't buy your things anywhere. If you want to buy in bulk, go to Lagos. If you have that energy, go there and save money, except you have plenty money to spend. So let's start with my hospital list. First thing on my list: baby soap, baby shawl, baby blanket, baby cap. Okay. The list actually says baby cap, as if you should bring only one. I don't bring only one. This is a set of 5. Yes. I think I'm supposed to take 4. I guess I will. So I have my hospital bag ready, baby's things, my own thing. Thank you so much for staying tuned to my channel, and if you have not subscribed, can you please just click the subscribe button now? Please click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and feel free to share my channel or share my videos with your friends, and just hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.